Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka MLA na Gambagri constituency ka Mehtab Chande Agitok Sangma kabadairu ka Kurim jong Myntri Rangbah ka jilla o konrat ke Sangma kalapan pau ikajeng saukemen baklayo ya kalat banwan shimbenta hakasin ka Nyngkong hapo ka yeng Dorbar thawan ka jilla. Habakran shikila pathai kubor ka Mehtab kalapan pau ikajeng saukemen bakum kariu ganthei kalayo bandan bentalang hakayeng Dorbar thawan ka jilla. Bat penpau ru ba Rangbah ka jing dan benta jong ka hapo yeng Dorbar kanlong ka jing IMNC meki wei pat kiriu kan thei ban snokti ha ka kam san perthei habakali lakan ran e meki mat ha ka bayade ber ki kam hapo ka constituency ka Mehtab kala ong ru baya kata kan haban pechwa namar menta kadang haban tip ye ka ru kompanyat ka yeng Dorbar bar kala penti kena bakan sara ha ka wei pat kapor la ban kedo baka Mehtab kala sya jit ban longkom ka MLA jong ka Gambagri constituency ha ka election shiteng samoy kabala long house nem baladet namar ka jing e no MLA ka congress usalang e Sangma ya ka kam hadin ba ula sya jit kumu MP ka Lok Sabha.
But before I begin my obituary references, I apologize, but I forgot to welcome our new member, Madam Mrs. Mehtab Chandi A. Sangma, who is attending here for the first day of his assembly session. We welcome you, ma'am, to this august house.
How do you feel about first time attending the session?
Yeah, I feel good. I think it's a privilege and an honor to be representing my constituency and be here today.
The strength of women in 60-member Meghalaya Legislative Assembly has increased with your inclusion.
Yes.
So, how do you feel and what are the positive steps do you think you can take in this regard?
Well, we have seen that women representation in politics has been always very less. Yeah, and I feel very honored here today, being a woman and being in this house, in this august house. And I hope that with my presence here, more and more women will be encouraged to join politics.
Though you are in the ruling, will you be raising the issues concerning the constituency, the state?
This time I think I have a lot to learn, still see the proceedings and how the house runs. So I think I will be observing and maybe next time for sure. That's it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.